And you're telling me a Louis Vuitton where you're buying $1,500 and you're telling me it's Alkaline at $250?
Yeah, man.
That's not Tim Lord Clark. Who are not Tim Lord Clark? He's not. He is not.
No, you're different Alkaline, so.
And mind you,
somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
people overly love Alkaline.
You can't.
People overly love
Alkaline. Like Alkaline, you know, Alkaline not to give this. Alkaline a superstar.
You never move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
I don't know one Media Fox funny up, you know. Yeah man, you know what things said. But people, now me know why walk and talk narrate Alkaline. You know go hear down in the video. The boy expose himself. You understand? The boy expose himself and this man in him feelings to rat it. People, he make alright, see that girl I wanna see? She want Crooks, massacre artist. But it shocked me with some things what she say. But we not tune in.
So he would be like a Nike.
Yeah.
You cannot say Alkaline is a flipping Nike. That is fast. No, you cannot say it. You can't say that.
No, I don't say it. I'm not an idiot.
So basically, I think Walk and Talk up on J-Free platform and say Alkaline is like a Nike, based on brand, and Cartel, a Louis Vuitton. I don't know where him get that from, but we know him in him feelings.
When you say something, me just laugh and go to already. Me just say, yo, we don't like what people say. Not a hypocrite.
No, it's not Nike.
Brother, listen up.
How much for your Nike? Basic. Bumbo.
I'm about to Nike now.
Yeah, but what is the average? What is the highest somebody can buy a Nike for? As opposed to a Louis Vuitton. And you're telling me a Louis Vuitton where you're buying $1,500 and you're telling me it's Alkaline at $250?
Yeah, man.
That's not Tim Lord Clark. Who are not Tim Lord Clark? He's not. He is not.
No, you're different Alkaline, so.
And mind you, I am not washed in.
Yo, one thing, you know, she rate Alkaline, you know. You see, when it come to female, you can't go on like you try size up a build to Alkaline thing, you know, movement, you know. Cause boy walk and talk about Alkaline or something, a Nike, and Cartel a Louis Vuitton. I mean, say what you, try eat that you. See? But the girl at time say, yo, you can't do that. You're style vendetta boss. All what crook she say.
Everybody don't know.
What would I try to compete him and Cartel? Yeah, but Cartel, listen, what Cartel I do, right?
So right there, when you start to Cartel, you know, a feeling start, you know, here we go.
You know, over the Cartel I do, right now, our money with Cartel I charge, Cartel I when man say, separate big man from boys. And I must them say, and man do it. You gotta show say, yo, them you do chill. You do chill. You see?
You see, I them a compare Cartel with the younger youths them, you know. You understand? Where Alkaline do, where Alkaline do. Uno always a try to bring up the Cartel thing, you know, brother. You understand? Uno. You see it?
But everybody let all the people big up Alkaline when I do. I mean, I'm going so I'm bash down the youth and Ray and Blay and Ray. But guess what? People stop talk about Cartel, Alkaline, and Ray. We serve fast already, man. We take a mix of Cartel. You see, all some friends to keep job. And sold out. Just Cartel was sold out.
People, look how the girl I got expose him. How when Cartel they are prison, you know, him say Cartel can't come round back no place. Him see him one, but look at now. Him have to try do him have to do car. Him been ask Cartel for an interview, but Cartel I go around him. But here girl I go say and expose him.
Price drop, you know.
Sold out. Come on.
But you, remember you said the last time.
So
Joe couldn't do that with Cartel alone.
like you don't think I alone.
Okay.
With Cartel for father.
Hey. So all Louis Vuitton, all the way coming like it a come.
No, I'm sure me attack.
You frigga yo. Yes man. So see him like how the girl I say yo, you call Alkaline Nike and call Cartel Louis Vuitton. But you a say him can't do Sunfest by himself. Based on is the pulling and Ray. That him did say no. See? So the girl I say, oh, so how you that means a Louis Vuitton thing have got job then. But you must say no, I hypocrite that man.
Show the Barclays,
I need the order of luxury.
He move a goalpost gone at Barclays now for Sunfest. That's why I tell you, a big goalpost the money moving now.
Barclays sold out the Barclays. Yo, Cartel and sold Alkaline sold out the Barclays and Ray. Yeah, good look you.
He did that shit.
But good look you. Me not say don't do it.
I love Massacre, I take Massacre could have done that.
Why?
I'm still
Why?
John, no, here. Crux girl, the Crux girl, I say her one artist can do Barclays. Judge. Well, in life, anything possible. You understand? We have to just watch and see, though. Yeah. Because no one said this and then it happened. And let's see. You understand?
I just don't think.
Why? Channel, stop it capping, man. You know what? Shh. I'll tell you about show. Channel, it's easy. Our massacre in our Barclays next year are up in the year. Give one November. Boom, which I have to keep them. Come to the show, I have to keep them. Boom. Early bird girl for $60. Go grab it. All I look at young people.
$60. Wait, you know if you see a chicken money for rent Barclays Center? You love put up this about this $40 and $50 ticket, dog. You know sick in on head? You know sick in on head, right? We not talk about $60 and rare, bro. Them think that joke money for rent out Barclays Center, brother. Wanna get them talking there from? Eh? Wanna sick, dog, man. I tell you now.
Yeah, but why are they going to? Why do they want us to see massacre?
Why do
you think people really? How much follow out the Barclays? I think about maybe 18,000 follows out Barclays.
So why do you want massacre? Why do you want massacre? Tell me why do you want massacre?
To follow out Barclays?
Yeah.
Let me tell you why if he even Alkaline fully taught, you know.
Yeah.
A proven thing, you know. The fans want to prove that he can do it, you know.
How would they rotted this? No, people, me never know. What you mean the fans want to prove? Brother, you know look on a thing different way, you know, brother. First of all, Alkaline fans forward for see him perform. You don't forget that Alkaline dinner Barclays Center last year with a bag of artists in there? You don't forget? And then this year now, him come sold it out by himself? Eh? It's like, you know, sick in the brain, brother. What you mean by bragging? If him did that 7 months before, with Elephant Man them and them thing there. See him already, you know. Then him forward again and do it by himself, brother. What you mean by bragging rights? Me not understand. So wait there. Before all of this our Barclays Center thing. So Alkaline fans never that forward out in a thousands come see him perform before all of this. Since a bragging rights. Me not understand that. I don't feel like say everybody out there in the world are tuning to the corruption we are going to dancehall. If you say, yo, bragging rights, you know, yo, what we are pack up an Alkaline show, you know, because we don't want the Gaza people, them say, yo, you know, so loud. You know, thinking on it, brother, how the work what the youth put in, the hits them with the youth have the catalog, that's how the people them did it. Even Gaza people did it too. You understand? So when you sick in on the head, brother, when you feel like say everybody with this politics, with the Gaza versus thing, brother, people out there with the support dancehall, all of them may rate the artists, but then rate Alkaline because of their music. You understand? So this bragging thing, brother, that now make no sense. You see me?
Sometimes you have to know what the ticket them start out for, you know, Janet. When you tell about the show ticket.
90,000,
because we see show sold out already, you know.
No, I said I don't think Massacre can do it.
We see show sold out already, you know. And promoter, now I call him promoter, sit down in the office. We do too much ticket, dog. Janet, I now go say, I'm not bashing Alkaline for the sold out, good look cute. But we don't
so no family knows when party we are not complimentary.
Yeah, so what I want to say.
You see, so him bring up something that don't even make no sense. Brother, complimentary tickets give away, brothers. Not really maybe every party, but some of the party. Bro, don't forget say Freedom Street the cartel though. The amount of ticket we give away, brother. Even scatter himself forward out and say him give each of the artists them 100 ticket. Complimentary ticket. Although at first him say him not give out, but then when him realize say, yo, Jano, this not gonna look good, you know. When I think too much people are gonna pack up, you know, so yo, we have to give us some ticket. Every artist, him say, him give them 100 ticket for give out to some people. Him even give Boom Boom them 80 ticket. How much? And Sean, Boom Boom must say, not for 100 ticket or what, but and Sean Stam say him get boom must say 80. Some don't know what I talk about, brother. You understand? If that not gonna be that even make no sense. Some don't know where him have where walk and talk him a father and I try say. That not make no sense, dog.
So if Massacre go, alright, Barclays now. We can keep from now, early bird drop next month for $60. And then by next month you go 70, jump to 60.
But what is the demand?
People will buy. No, I really want to find out, you know, Janelle.
Yes, but Massacre, what is the demand for Massacre? Because remember for full out something, you know. Sometimes we need for overly love, you know. If you get what I mean. People overly love Alkaline.
You got
John, why Crux girl did Massacre so? She basically say people now overlove Massacre. Judge, you rough dog. Jano dog, me I tell you, rough on the artist still. Jano.
People overly love
I like Alkaline. You know, Alkaline nothing give this. Alkaline a superstar. You know,
Bombard. Gaza man say Alkaline a superstar. Yo, that's how Alkaline say yo. Them a celebrity but me a superstar and things say a joke thing. Listen what I go on.
You know Massacre about your
Alkaline are real. No, Alkaline are superstars. Oh, Alkaline, oh, him behave alone and Alkaline behave better than some rapper. We can't keep
I
that.
don't even know how he behave because he don't talk.
No, if behave more than some rapper. Like, if Alkaline are busy, just, I wish we could have been like busy. Or busy still.
Humble.
Busy.
Quiet.
Alkaline, see the Alkaline come and say what he said. Oh, this full of carry ready now. Much people listen. Understand?
Oh, you have met Alkaline before?
What time?
Okay. I don't know what.
People who not go hear now why you see walk and talk. Attack so and him not too rate Alkaline. You not go hear what go on you know.
No, I'm not surprised to hear me.
I know
You know Alkaline when he was early on Barclays?
I don't know Alkaline go here. If you know history, me Alkaline.
Oh, no, I don't. You want to share?
Yeah, me Alkaline, the Alkaline not good enough. So I can't tell you about Alkaline not good. Respect to him and you know whatever, but Alkaline never, Alkaline never so. That time, not nice one with them time. Yeah. And then just a jump out, the next time I said Andrew Blackson thing, you see man, you see? I'm from a big liquor. From a corner club built and a corner and a pants and everything. What me never like still, well my boss, I hate them for type this. But me never good them time.
So him a go confirm what did go on round at the studio with Footer Hype them. Cause you don't know run a Joe thing, yeah, round them side there, round scatter them. You see me? So him they and witness it with Footer Hype they do and this Alkaline.
You know, jail them time. My foot at this. Foot at this there. Body figure away. And then that everything. Foot come see one there. You see? And that one play domino ninja man and everything. Foot say, where are you now? Where are you now? Come on, with the back to himself. And roll out one of the other my youth.
So, which song you have at this?
Same time, the man on the song, about 2 weeks time, come man find song. I run the whole place, foot up play now. So,
Yo, you see what me I talk about people? You can't stop at trying youth. You see me? So Footer Hype run the youth out of the yard. You see me? That's why you see sometime with things that happen like that. That's why you see Footer Hype a crash out on the media, you know. That's why the highlight to him forget him now, get it. You understand? Cause more while him just try to fight youths for no reason. You understand? And if you say that day there, if him did just say your Alkaline forward, maybe him would have on the arena show, a DJ. But no, with him forward out and a crash out. But Alkaline a do film work and them Alkaline them now book him on one bag of thing. You understand? You see the fighting, you see when you fight somebody for no reason, I want the worst thing. You understand? Especially when the youth young. You're supposed to guide him if he might do wrong things. But you prefer just diss him and run him out. Yo, move up from here and ray. Brother, if you remember, say you have youth too. And you have child. You understand? Remember that, and sometimes things what you do in a life to other people, child, it can come fall upon your youth them too. You see me? Yeah, man.
Alkaline is a youth.
What wrong with you and him?
Alright, hear me Alkaline now.
So here we go on with Alkaline. Even Demarco will get exposed in this too. You understand? But listen now, people. Here why them fall out. Him and Demarco fall out with Alkaline. At first, me never know how the workers make Demarco never rate Alkaline. But now me know why.
Go by studio one day.
Which studio is this?
Up on that nice. And you got that little back down, you know. And link it out and up there studio. I tell you that, say, yo. You know, so I want this work with you, man. Say, yeah, I'm not there with nobody, man. So I'm to the man. I'm shut to nobody, man.
So that's when you always start?
Yeah, I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
The superstar, man. Come if he said, he's not a superstar, the actor. No, the devil talking, man. Come if he said, he's not a superstar, the actor. No, the devil talking, man. Come on, tell him. Let me see you.
Oh, so when my boss talking about that one?
Let me talking, man, and tell him. Let me tell you. What do you think you say?
So I'm about, I think I'm 2012, 2013 days.
Channel, what do you think tells me the king of the podcast?
I never hear tell us when you're friends.
What about the king? Come in there.
So look here now, what cause the riff-raff in people? Walk and talk, link Alkaline. I'm telling you when him young, just a forward in a game. See, link him and say, yo, them want to do a work together. I think them time them there on Demarco. And through the youth say, yo, him nah do that. You see, through them couldn't control the youth for try use him. Through the hype did around the youth. And that's why now, so him feel shame. Cause in his mind, him thinks, yo, him a the man, and through the little thing when him a par around, Demarco him feel like, say, this man a Alkaline. This him which, brother, the youth work with who him want to work with. So through the youth, turn down the offer now. And that's why all of this hate and the fallout did go on. You understand? Alkaline just say no. You see me? And that's why I'm going so.
I'm the king. I'm the king. Who means the king? I'm the king of podcast. Yeah, I want to check it. So, I don't tell you now, we feel emotional and things. Otherwise, no. So, them after them, I said, yeah, I'm going to sorry, so now you got someone, you got cream in here. I'm meeting.
This black guy not coming yet.
And then you got cream, yeah, black guy, and you got cream in here, and then we start going more. Say, you got to talk to him, and say, you're cream in here, and you do about a thing, you're a girl, man, and then the man go see what the body was song, and then them tell them, and them man go to talk to him, and we styling. You see, alright, two acts.
So, you see it now, people. You see it now. So, him link Alkaline, and it look like, I feel like a Demarco sending him, you know. I don't know if it's some dub thing, but it seems like when him go back to Demarco now, through when him set to walk and talk, Demarco say, yo, so him a move, so at this so now them start diss him up. And them usually have this podcast, Talk Your Mind podcast thing. So through the youth, turn down the offer now, them start diss the youth. And start carry H. That's why Demarco him did a try diss the youth after that too. You understand? I just to show you them money stay, brother. That's why Alkaline say, yo, if he did a sit down and chat up with them, he would have be them favorite. You see it? That's why I rate how the youth move. Because anybody where them can't use, them diss them.
Masika and Alkaline.
And look at them now.
And no.
Look at them now.
Masika, get on. Masika cool.
How you know if you're Masika?
Yo, people, this I go show you, say, him say my Masika cool. See it? But let me tell you, to me, you know, Masika move like a youth way. He move more like a hypocrite to me. It's like, him no say, him not rate you or nothing, you know. See it? But him way heal up like him rate you. But behind your back, him will talk a bag of things. You see me? But listen where him a say, but it show you how dancehall stay. See, once you and them can link up and ray, yeah, them will hype you up on everything. But the thing with difference with Alkaline now, if Alkaline not rate you, him not link with them, not heal you up nothing. That's the difference. Masika knows say, yo, if him not rate you, he will still big up. And same like with the Vice Cartel thing. Masika they run cartel all long and ray. See? And then boom. When him and Tommy Lee start war, him start to show that energy there. And start talk about Stone Boy and all of them little thing there. We're going with Stone Boy and start call out sick a rhyme. It show you, same a hypocrite. Because him there on the man them, although him not rate what go on and him not rate, but him there on them, but something just happen and him just start talking mind. It show you, brother, and I see him thing with him and that youth here.
Masika can just Masika can just hear you, just hear this here, but him now just come around you. If you
me Alkaline, they pan boat. No chatting, no base, we pass him pass me, no chatting pan bother with the should be alright. With the man feel, no chatting. When me and Masika go for a start, New York, Miami, America, what can't tell you? Why are you general? Airport again. What one? Yeah, I'm bro. What do you reckon? Thing go to G. So it's different. Yeah. You have that? Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, cause Masika do that. Masika different youth, him a hypocrite. That's why him do that. Alkaline no say if uno diss up the man pan chat, we call it the podcast uno have diss him up about cream here and this and that and about B wash and all of them little thing there. You expect say the man fi see you every time I heal up, dog. Remember, you know, you say you diss Masika too, you know, pan the same podcast, you know. And Masika see that. But for sure you how Masika stay, him will play the hypocrite and big you up, see him although you not rate you. You understand? Just through one things look good. Or maybe I want some strength for you someday. You understand? And that him do, you know.
Yeah. We have a problem. But I feel like even if you're Alkaline, cool, just how him behave, maybe he still wouldn't talk to you. He just feel like say, you're there,
Chat to me. Not chat to me.
I mean, no.
Everybody will see Alkaline. And them look up black and they will see Alkaline. Alkaline don't like Uno.
Disbelief.
Alkaline don't like Uno. And the priest.
So why you guys man are getting their feelings? But Alkaline not rate you, brother. Nobody have money, man getting their feelings, dog. You not getting the ratings for Alkaline. You must say people if vlogger for Alkaline no rate we. Bro, you're a madman, brother. At the end of the day, we just a fan. We are rep the artists. We not big Alkaline for rate, brother. You see me? Somebody know where you talk about Alkaline and rate. Nobody now walk and big Alkaline ratings. Are you, because remember you are link the man for work together and the man turn it down, you know. And through the man see you and pass, you not say nothing to you, you know. Now, you know your feelings now are running into the vlog of them now. Move from here, man.
And the people may run that tent to go take picture. Up to the line of Alkaline, look on the way, or enough, that's for reach, you know.
Move from here, man. It seems like you did it too. You see me, because you don't want a picture with the vendetta boss right now. But people, you don't know your things that, you know. Yeah, man, I want media facts on the app, man. You know your things that, you see me? Yeah, man. But people, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man. But there, though. That is it.